This is a 2017 Ford F-250 Super Crew Lariat. Brown over tan leather interior. Power driver's seat, power windows, locks and mirrors. Upfitter switches, leather wrap steering wheel, Bluetooth for your cell phone. Satellite radio, navigation, heated and cooled seats, electronic climate control. Trailer brake controls. There's a look at the seats in the rear. Running boards. Stylish wheels. Trailer hitch, backup camera. Lockable tailgate. Bed liner. Sliding rear window. This vehicle's four-wheel drive. Powered by Power Stroke 6.7-liter turbo diesel engine. So it's got power and torque. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Ford Bradenton, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.